Alright, I've got a short how-to video for you this morning. And we're going to have a look at the HT-350. This is a little network cable stripper. So it's got a single blade up through the middle of it there. And this little red piece here is actually spring-loaded. You can kind of see that as it bounces in and out a bit there. So the idea being it doesn't score as deeply. You've got an adjustment on the blade itself, so you can bring this tighter in or further out depending on the type of cable. Obviously start with the cable you've got on site, get a bit of a feel for it, and then you can work out, use the same stripper all day long. So this is standard CAT5 cable I've got here. Got the blade quite loosely in here. Twist it around a couple of times, release, and that's not good enough because my cable is nice and thin. I do a little bit tighter on the blade, run this around here, do a couple of twists, and there we go. Easy exposed. There's my cables and they're not damaged in any way. So that was a standard CAT5 cable, throw that out of the way. We've got a CAT6 cable here, pretty standard CAT6 cable. Use the same settings for this one, around a couple of times, back a couple of times, release, and my cable is there. Perfectly stripped, ready to go without any damage whatsoever. Moving across, this is a CAT6 Outdoor-rated cable. This has got gel tape inside. I'm not sure how well you can see this in the end if it focuses in, but yeah, water block tape in around the outside of this. And if I use the same stripper, same way, put it through, twist it a few times, release, bring this out, there we are. And if I want to strip the tape out, well, good thing is it's quite lightweight stuff, so I can score that and cut it around or use it as it is. Simple. Last one I've got here is, this is a heavy duty CAT6A FTP cable, so we've got a lot more going on inside, but I use the same settings. This might be a bit tough. That sounds like a little bit far. Yeah, not too bad actually. We've loosened the foil around the outside, but you can see all the cables on the inside still protected and well looked after. Haven't even cut down on the grounding wire. Fantastic. Really useful little stripper, doesn't cost a lot of money. Yeah, worth putting in your bag of tricks for when you're terminating network cables. Thanks for joining me.